The harbor stage is polished like a mirror. Tie laces tight to bring the vision clearer. Keep your palm on top and got the leather spears. A dancing tether comes a rookie fear. If you stop the motion, hold your ground. Pivot on the flint till the lane is found. But keep it down till the whistle blows. That is how the steady current flows. Eyes on the horizon, not the floor. Watch the shifting shadows by the door. 5 beating hearts under a single crest. Putting every selfish thought to rest. Beyond the painted arc, the distance grows. Where the high stakes balance on your toes. 24 ticks before the bell rings loud. Find a hoping brother in the crowd. Chalk line marks where the heroes stand. Riding destiny with a steady hand. Respect the cylinder and the sacred space. Don't let a heavy elbow leave a trace. When you reach across, you pay the toll. Defense is a battle for the soul. No tripping